Hello everyone, how are you? This is Alex, the Technical Alliance Manager from Milesight. We're here at ISC West 2024. I'm glad to be here to announce the co-partnership with one of the greatest cloud platform, VM's platform, 3DI. And today we have CRO Catherine from 3DI here with me for this joint event. Who don't know who Milesight is, allow me to give a brief introduction. So Milesight is a high-tech company. We started our entrance to this industry since 2011. So we are a fast-growing surveillance camera company, but the key technology we embrace is including the artificial intelligence. And at the same time, we also step our foot on IoT industry. Okay, so we have IoT sensors that was using LoRaWAN technology. And also we have another product line for 5G. Okay. So for the surveillance camera part, during the 13 years of development, Milesight have made a lot of improvements to the product itself. And also, apart from camera, we do NVRs. Okay, we have N+1 and RAID to make sure the safety of the data. And it's also like thermal design, don't have to worry about overheat or anything. The importance of integration with 3DI. One of the things is that the cloud has been a very important form of implementation, especially when the bandwidth is becoming a smaller problem for all the users. So people will think about using a cloud. But also 3DI is also very bandwidth tolerance, right? So you can work with very optimal usage of the bandwidth. So that's the first thing you don't need to worry about. So the good thing about the cloud platform is that firstly, it's about the scalability. We can grow with the end user when their demand of surveillance, the demand of cameras is increasing. So it's very easy for you to scale up with a cloud platform. And it's also very easy for a partner when they are trying to make a more flexible way to managing all the cameras that they install throughout their own customer channels. And also we are consolidate our edge AI, which we emphasize on, with 3DI's AI. So actually 3DI will work as a second layer AI, as a second filter to all the events we push to their platform. So that will be a second improvement to reduce false alarms. And after that, we have, the cloud service is also very easy to deploy. It's also cost saving because it's serverless. Yeah, right? So cloud is very important. That's why 3DI is very important. So right now, with integration with 3DI, so the main features that's available with these two things together is that we can do device management, we can do like different layout management for easier surveillance on 3DI. They have a very easy to use interface on that. And also we can do the video settings and also the analytics settings. You can draw lines, draw regions on 3DI, and all things will go back seamlessly back to camera. So also you can use 3DI's strong object search functions, right, without cameras. So again, I have been talking a little bit about 3DI, so I guess Catherine will have more to say with 3DI. Okay.
So thank you very much for this warm introduction, Alex. Once again, my name is Catherine Balabanova. I'm the CRO and board director of 3DI. And today I'm joined by our CEO, Vyacheslav Gritsevich, and also our business development manager for USA, Igor Kiel. 3DI is a pure cloud video AI platform, and by pure cloud, I mean an architecture that has storage and cloud video AI processing on the AWS, on the public cloud side. So what it gives the platform is the ability to leverage the cloud network effect for AI relevancy. And besides, the integrators out there do not need to buy extra hardware to connect their cameras to the cloud. So no CapEx, no expensive servers, no bridges or other connectors to scale their installations infinitely. At 3DI, we were advancing the World Safety One video stream at a time since 2014, and we welcome the collaboration with Milesight, who are joining us on this mission today. I'd like to reinforce the benefits of the scalability and relevant AI with pure cloud and underscore the problem that we are solving. Just imagine that in 2024, there will be trillion of alarm security events coming to the operator rooms, 1 trillion. And only 3% of these events are relevant. and only less than 1% of those events are representing real threat. So who is going to deal with the tsunami of the data that is coming in? The professional monitoring operators are on the front line, and yes, they're inundated with the influx of these alarms and all of the data. We face the problem of a lot of data coming in and little relevant signal that's being received. So, as the famous Chinese author of The Art of War once said, in the midst of chaos, there is always an opportunity. So we are taking this opportunity right now with Milesight and 3DI integration and bringing to the market with this integration the most scalable solution to reduce false alarms by 90% and increase the operator's efficiency by 80%. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you to our partners to join us on this mission.